Not so long ago, you came in this world, smiling.
Happy birthday, Pedro! Tinirikwest mo labong!
Happy birthday, Manoy! Ang wish namin sa iyo, good health,
Yeah, you know
long
that
life,
ain't a bad
pag-ingat
thing.
palagi. God bless.
Happy birthday!
But just know that older's just a state of mind, and you're on mine.
Manoy, hi! Happy birthday! Salamat sa pagsuporta mo sa akin sa mga Kristo. Di manasaya. Sana di magbago ang pagpayaba mo sa mga Kristo. Maski uda ako yan, happy birthday! 70 years old neka. Sayang ta di ako nakapayan mo na. Happy birthday, good health, God bless to you. I love you.
Yeah, you
Man.
know that ain't a bad thing. Yeah, you're getting older, but just know that older's just a state.
Mabuhay, Papa Joe! Ito po si Robin Padilla. Bumabati po sa inyo sa inyong ika-70 taon na kaarawan. Happy birthday po. Kami pong lahat ay nagpapasalamat po sa inyong suporta po sa amin. At ang dasal po namin, Papa Joe, siyempre po, ang inyo pong magandang kalusugan na at siyempre po, ang kaligayahan sa pamilya at ang pagmamahal at pag-ibig sa lahat po ng inyong mahal sa buhay. Happy birthday.
Papa Joe, good afternoon. I just would like to greet you the happiest birthday. Happy birthday po. Alam ko, kaarawan nyo and you're now 70 years old. Alam nyo, super love kayo ni Dea. Sobrang bait ng anak nyo. Kunyari, mabait. Joke lang ho. Joke lang ho. But, Papa Joe, enjoy your special day. Because it will only come once or pass every year. Doon lang natin ma-celebrate yung special na araw natin. So, it's your special day. Enjoy it with your family and your closest friends. Happiest birthday ho, at God bless you and your family always.
Happy birthday to Jose Ricacho. Wishing you a great day and an even better year to come. God bless you.
Just know that older's just a state of mind.
Happy birthday, Uncle! Thank you sa lahat ng support at pagmamahal. Ang wish namin sa iyo ay good health and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Kel! Thank you for unending love, care, and support sa akin and sa family namin. I just wish you all the best, more birthdays and candles to blow, good health, and I love you.
Love you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! God bless you and your family.
Happy birthday, Tito Jose. God bless you. Many more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day.
Hi! Happy 70th birthday po, Lolo Ses. Stay healthy.
More birthdays to come po.
Enjoy your special day po. God bless! Bye!
Hi pa! Happy birthday! Happy 70th birthday! Enjoy mo tong araw na to. I just wish you all the best and happiness. And sana mas marami pang birthday. Kaya hopefully mas maging healthy ka pa and more blessings. Okay? Yun lang pa. Happy 70th birthday! Happy birthday pa!
Happy birthday, Papa. You 2. Fish, here, down, 3. Hello, Papa Yoso. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Be good. I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Pa. Wishing you more birthdays to come and good health always. And more happiness with Mama and more blessings to come.
Happy 70th birthday, Papa! Nandito lang kami ni Tobin, ni Vin, para sa'yo. At hiling po namin ang iyong mahaba pang buhay para mas mahaba pang panahon na magkasama tayo. Happy birthday! We love you!
Birthday, Pa.
Happy birthday, Papa. I love you.
The difference in my life.